how to refund games on Steam. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our Steam app right here and make sure that you are logged in into your account. Now, keep in mind that you will only be able to refund your purchase if you have played that game for less than 2 hours or if you bought it less than 14 days. So keep that in mind. And if you, of course, pass those requirements, let's get into the tutorial. So what we want to do next right here is to click the help button, so which is located right here, and then click Steam support. So you will be redirected into another page. So let's wait for that. And then once you're now here, what you will see here is the game that you have just recently purchased. And of course, the game that you want to request a refund. So you will see it right here. So currently, I don't have any purchased games. So if you see it right here, all you have to do is to click it. And then, of course, just look for the refund request. So once you're now there, all you have to do is to state why you want a refund for that game. And so, of course, just answer those problems. And then once you do that, the Steam support, of course, are going to email you. And then, of course, just wait for them to get back. And then they will help you to address your concern. So that is basically it. That is how to refund games on Steam.